student. So last class discussed about the cell organelles. First cell organelles, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Today I am discussing about the Golgi complex. What is the second cell organelles? Golgi complex. It is also very important cell organelles. It is completely very correlated with the endoplasmic reticulum. So these Golgi complex is first identified by the Camillo Golgi. The name of the scientist Camillo Golgi. Who is identified? Camillo Golgi. So these cell organelles contain other names. These are also commonly called as Baker bodies, dictyosomes. So like the other names also there, whatever it may be. So Camillo Golgi first in the whole nerve tissue. So these cell organelles are identified. So on the basis of honor of the scientist, the Baker bodies given the name as the Golgi complex. So Golgi complex is also very important cell organelles. So these contain the three important basically morphologically. The Golgi complex is divided into three main parts. That is the first group is also called as cisternae. Second one is called as cisternae. Second one is called as vacuoles. Third one is called as vesicles. Similar fashion. So in the where in the last class discussed about endoplasmic reticulum, what kind of structure is there? Similar fashion here also same reappear. So cisternae, vacuoles, vesicles. So now these are called as cisternae. A large fluid-filled body-like structures are called as cisternae. Those cisternae approximately one above the other, they are arranged as a bundle of structure. So in each bundle approximately 3 to 7 sticks-like structures are there. The two sticks, in the bundle, the bodies are both sides approximately toward the downside bend. So through this bending, whatever it contains two important phase, there is the forming phase and maturation phase. So these phase is called as concave, convex phase is called as forming phase, concave area is called as maturation phase. So here why these two different kind of shapes are occurring? The two ends are bent towards the downwards. When these sticks are bent towards the downwards, automatically what happens? The upper portion is convex, the lower portion is concave like structure is appeared. The convex like the structure is generally called as the forming phase, down phase is called as maturation phase. So whatever it may be, so these are all called as cisternae. So cisternae after vesicle vacuole. The two lateral side of the cisternae body, through the body whatever small soft-like structures are formed, they are called as vacuoles. So then after vesicle, a small fluid bodies are called as vacuoles. So like that, three important morphological formation is there. Cisternae, vacuole, vesicles are present in the Golgi complex. So Golgi complex contains the following important basically responsibilities are there. There are number one. So Golgi complex, through the Golgi complex, what happened here? At the time of cell division, so nucleus membrane is formed. Not only nucleus membrane, sometimes endoplasmic reticulum is also formed through the Golgi complex. In some rare cases, the main function is the Golgi complex. Secretion is the main function. Secreting cells, gland cells, all are called as secreting cells, made by secreting cells. The secretion function, where are they? There are more important Golgi complexes present. That is the important main. And also, yolk sac is also formed. The following important responsibilities are carried out by the Golgi complex. First responsibility is also plasma membrane is formed, nucleus membrane is formed, and the formation of important, so especially yolk sac is also formed, and also main function secretion, and in the sperm cell operosome is also formed. Operosome formation under presence of responsibilities of Golgi complex, as well as what is the plasma membrane formation is also under presence of responsibilities of Golgi complex, and also especially secretion function is also carried out by the Golgi complex. Golgi complex contains the three forms, that is basically cisternae, vacuoles, vesicles. So these are the important responsibilities carried out by the Golgi complex. The third cell organelle is called as ribosomes. So ribosomes are also very important cell organelles. present in the cell. So these are present in both in prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic. So in the prokaryotic cell they are present in the form of 70S ribosome. In the eukaryotic they are present in the form of 80S ribosome. So ribosome's major character is the main preparation of protein synthesis. So every hormones, every enzyme, every animal body containing all important proteins or formation takes place under presence of ribosomes only. So these ribosomes are generally attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, that is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. So that's why these ribosomes are generally two subunits are there. In the eukaryotic prokaryotic, the prokaryotic 70S ribosomes are there. In the eukaryotic 80S ribosomes are there. The 70S ribosomes also further formed by the two important subunits. They are 30S subunit, smaller one, 50S subunits, larger one. Similar fashion, the 80S ribosome, 40S is the smaller subunit, 60S is the bigger subunit. These two subunits, either 70S or 80S, when the protein synthesis takes place, at the time only they are united. They are united. When their proteins are not synthesis takes place, they are separated. The united and separation is under presence of magnesium ion concentration. So that's why when the protein synthesis takes place, at the time two subunits are united. At the time only protein synthesis takes place. So that's why protein synthesis is a major role play in the presence of ribosomes only. So ribosomes are present in the prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell. Two important subunits are there in each ribosome. 70S present in the prokaryotic cell. 80S ribosomes are present in the eukaryotic cell. 70S are made by 30S and 50S subunit. 80S ribosome is made by 40S and 60S subunit. So the union and differentiation, separation and union is takes place of magnesium ion. At the time of protein synthesis, only the two subunits are united. Remaining time they are separated, present in the cytoplasm of the cell. So that's why protein synthesis is the major function. That's why they are the currency of cell. Who is the currency? Proteins are currency. All the proteins are very essential component present in the animal and kingdom. Without proteins, the animal body is not placed. Body structure, all the biological activities, reaction, proteins are also only the major role playing in the animal body and plant body. So that's why protein synthesis is the main function carried out by ribosomes.